Hey everybody, hope everybody's having a great weekend. Hope all is well. Super excited to have everyone here. So I graded your stuff early, late Thursday and early Friday morning, so y'all should have it over the weekend. If you need some extra time from some of the feedback and stuff, let me know. I'd be happy to give it to you. Other than that, I also posted on some discussions. Noticed there was some missing from the initial, so if you haven't posted initial, please go ahead and do so. Um, Other than that, I'm really excited. A lot of the work's quality. Really proud of it. You guys are putting all the efforts into it. I'm probably adding more like creative feedback to them, which is really good because uh, you have all the elements of the grades and everything in them, so that's fantastic about that. So I don't have to worry about that. I'm just trying to help you push your work out a little bit more, so it's just easier to see and not as confused. So I'm really excited to see when the clips go in and everything. So it's gonna be awesome. Other than that, just to let you know, keep in mind you have your discussion replies due tonight, and then Sunday you have your projects, your updated ones. If you need more time on your projects, just in case you need to get a little extra day or two, I'll give it to you. Just let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. So just this pretty much a reminder announcement. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great weekend, and if you need anything, just let me know. Have a good one, my friends. Bye bye.